The Innovate UK Energy Game Changer project is a partnership between Innovate UK, Chevron and OC Robotics. And we've taken robotic technology that was developed for inspection in the onshore environment and adapting it for use in the offshore environment.
Chevron here in the North Sea is keen to look outside our own silo of the North Sea and the oil and gas industry. There's exciting technologies being developed in aerospace, manufacturing, nuclear industry that we can apply to our business. Not necessarily directly, but we can develop them to apply them in creative and innovative ways to make ourselves more efficient.
As part of my role as the offshore inspection engineer, vessel inspection is key. The challenges are the access and egress to the vessel, and then in the event of the worst case, being able to retrieve someone from inside a confined space. Across the industry, sadly, we do still see fatalities when entering into a confined space.
The best thing with the trial happening on an offshore facility is it provides the technology development companies an opportunity to actually see the work environment, the challenges that presents, so they can help them develop the tool going forward.
This snake is the longest planar snake arm that we have so far. It's around 3.5 meters and it has an articulated wrist at the end. At the end of the wrist we can put any type of tool. At the moment we have a 10 times optical zoom HD camera. Also 2 sets of lights. The light with the camera can help us have very good inspection inside any vessel. We did a few modifications to make it fit for this environment, like extra cage or lifting points for the robot, a more robust PCU and a new workstation.
The things that we're looking to test in this trial is the transportation of the robot to the offshore environment. So how easy is it to get to the work site? And then once we're at the work site, it's deploying the robot arm into the pressure vessel and doing a high definition visual inspection. Once we had it deployed into the vessel, the concern then really for us was how well could we capture video and still images within that environment. Would we have enough light in the vessel? Would it be able to see far enough? What was the focus like?
Well, when I first seen a snake arm, I thought it'd be quite difficult to use just due to the sheer size of it. However, the actual operating console is something which is used just for a child's console. It's really easy to manoeuvre and it has a nice steady movement.
The software is designed to be user-friendly, so you have the 3D model and the point of reference. On that point you can attach pictures, you can put notes, you can put any type of file you can attach to, even video if you want to.
What you can see inside the vessel is pretty much everything what you could see if you were to enter it yourself. The quality of the picture, being able to zoom right into defects, and not only can you see what you're looking at in that one image, but you can also see in a wider image where you are inside the vessel, which makes the reporting side of things so much easier for someone to review the report and to review a defect.
I think one thing you can see with Chevron, they're very good at partnering with other technology developers, trying to leverage technology development to help us both from a safety perspective, but also a cost and efficiency perspective.
It's been really a pleasure working with these people. They have been very helpful, providing us with support. We had also an inspector, a real inspector, had a look at the pictures and he was really impressed with the pictures and the quality that we could get. So overall, really successful week.
The trial's gone really well and I believe we've learned some really valuable lessons that the team will now take back to further design the robot for further real-life operation.
I think the snake arm could really transform inspections in the sense of if I can carry out a detailed, close visual inspection of an internal vessel while standing remote to the vessel outside, that can only be a good thing for the industry.
There's always been a culture of innovation in the North Sea, and Chevron have been at the forefront of that over the years. In the last 5 years, I've seen really big advances in technology. That excites me because it helps us to stay safe and stay profitable.